Good morning, and welcome to Wonderful Wednesdays at Westport. I just wanted to let you know what we've got going on right now. We've got lots coming up, so just wanted to kind of go over a few things with you. Last week of the month, so our new classes for November are on our website, but we don't have them on our visual calendar. So just wanted to remind you today, we still have room in the Embroidery Beyond the Basics this afternoon. This is the class you want to take if you've had your basic embroidery class on how to use your embroidery machine and want to go a step further and learn a lot about hooping. I think you'll work on a towel, a t-shirt, and some other things. So that class is from 2 to 6 today. If you want to hop in, that would be wonderful. Friday and Saturday, we have our Bernina Stitchwise events. On Friday is the Bernina Savvy Stitching, and on Saturday is the Bernina Smart Serging. We're pretty full in our Savvy Stitching class, but we still have some openings in the Bernina Smart Serging class, and this is a great opportunity to try out one of our L8 series overlocker machines, and the project is adorable. It's a very colorful bolster pillow, and I think you'll learn a lot about what is available in the world of serging today. It's a whole lot more than it used to be, so I would encourage you to join us. The classes are from 10 to 4. It includes lunch catered by Paul's Fruit Market, door prizes, all kinds of fun things, and it's just a really good time. We're especially excited to have Kathy Shalda, one of our most favorite Bernina educators here, and she's been to Louisville several times, so some of you might remember her. So she will be here leading us, and we look forward to having her. So if you can come on Saturday, I encourage you to join us. Also coming up, since it is the end of the month, we have end of the month, end of the bolt, and this month I'm going to have it go from Friday the 28th till Monday the 31st. And as you know, the 31st is not only the end of the month, it's also Halloween. And we will close at 5 o'clock that day. So just so you know, our hours on Monday the 31st will be 10 to 5. So we still have going on our wonderful Bernina bundles that started on October 1st. We have specials with the $7.90. We have the cave models. Let me walk over here and show you this again. It's so pretty. This is our Cape Facet 770. Isn't it gorgeous? It comes with or without the embroidery module, which we're now calling the quilting module because you can do computerized quilting with it. It comes with the bundle of Cape Facet fabric, a fat quarter bundle. I think I counted 15 pieces in there. The beautiful luggage. And it also comes with an embroidery bundle in this beautiful keepsake box. So it has thread, it has bunches of designs, it has stabilizer. So these machines are kind of scarce right now, but we have plenty coming. So if you would like to purchase one, let us know and we can get one for you. It also comes with the Bernina Creator software, so it's quite a bundle that comes with. So we're excited about that, and we just think it's such a beautiful machine. We have lots of other things coming up from all of our companies. We're busy getting Christmas quilts done. This is a beautiful one on our Q24 long arm that Sarah has on here, using some of our pretty Christmas fabrics. So we're excited about that too. We just have lots and lots going on next week when our November classes start. As I said, they're already on the website, sewvacauthority.com. Just click on that, and when you get to our webpage, go to classes and events. So next week on the 2nd, we have Barbara's popular collage quilt. So just so you know, that is from 10 to 4. And if you've been trying to get into one of the collage quilt classes, we invite you to come next Wednesday from 10 to 4. Thursday is Sit and Sew with me, and I would love to have you there. We've got a couple of new owners sewing classes coming up. One next Saturday the 5th from 12 to 3, and on Monday, November the 7th from 10 to 2. So if you purchased a new machine from us or from somebody else and you need help actually learning how to operate your machine, then I would invite you to come into one of those classes. We have Bianni Club on the 8th, a Bernina New Owners Sewing class on the 9th. We have our Fabulous Block of the Month on the 10th, and Quilting in the Hoop and Embroidery Club on the 11th and 12th. So as I said, go check out our calendar on our website and see what's going on. And now we're going to walk over and find Miss Barbara, and she's going to talk a little bit, since it's an embroidery day at the store. She's going to talk about embroidery.
Good morning.
There she is.
Good morning, everybody. It's so great to have you with us today. And today I'm doing a basic embroidery class, and then this afternoon I'm doing a Beyond the Basics. So if you want to know how to use your machine, or what you need to do, what needles to use, what fabrics to use, what stabilizers to use, how to do it, how to hoop, anything like that with your embroidery machine, then that's what we're going to cover today. Now, I've brought a few of examples of things that we've done in our embroidery club, and so like this towel. Towels are great wedding gifts too, and when I first got my first embroidery machine, I think I embroidered everything in the house. So
Me too.
I know, it's just fun to do.
Yeah.
And then what we're going to do today in class is we're going to make a towel. And this is a kitchen boa, and you take your towel and embroider it, or use one that's already made, and put it both sides around the strip of fabric, and put it around your neck, and you have a ready-made hand towel while you're cooking and what have you in the kitchen.
Be great for Thanksgiving dinner, for
yeah.
Christmas and Thanksgiving dinner.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
They make great gifts too. People love them.
Well, you could also use it as a pot holder.
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
Yeah.
Getting stuff out of the oven,
Yeah.
absolutely. And the one we're going to do today is called The Secret Ingredient is Always Love. And so we'll be doing that. We've done some placemats. This is just a little mug rug here, and it's got a little scripture on it. Then
That's great for Christmas gifts too.
Yeah.
The mug rugs.
Oh, absolutely. And that's really sweet, actually. Then we've done placemats. If you want to zero in on them a little bit there, Chris. And so this is a situation where you've got 6 small blocks, and you sew them together after you get them embroidered. And I will finish those one of these days. I don't know how y'all are, but I get it just about to a point, and then I get distracted, and I forget.
Oh, really?
Chasing another rabbit down the hole.
Yeah,
You know?
I know.
And so this is a placemat that we've done in class also. And this is another one I'm going to finish one of these days. But you do like 3 panels and sew them all together. And then I rounded these off because I have a round table. So, but you can use whatever scraps you have in making these things. They're just really, really, really pretty. Here's a gold one back here. I've already got fabrics picked out to go with them. So, it's really...
So that's your backing fabric.
Right, And I use metallic thread on this too, and we'll also learn how to use metallic thread so that it won't break on you and shred and all those kind of things, which is just a few little tips and you're off and running. Then we made these pot holders. We'll be doing these again in the new class coming up. And then also the 10-minute table runner. This takes about to sew it together about 10 minutes. And so I made this one, and I use it on my coffee table, and I put my initial on the thing and put a little and decorative thing around it. So it's a lot of fun to learn how to do these things. And I would encourage you, if you don't know how to use your embroidery machine, or if you want to learn more about it, come join our classes, either the basic or the beyond the basics embroidery class. And I promise you, you'll learn lots. And then, of course, I'll throw in some tips that aren't in the books too. So welcome, and love to have you come join me.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us today. As I said, we'll be having our Bernina event this weekend. If you can join us on Saturday, we'd love to have you. And don't forget our end of the month, End of the Bold on Friday, Saturday, and Monday. And have a great week, everyone. Bye. Thanks for joining us.